Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, we hit our yellow trend reversal area yesterday here, then reacted to the upside. Warned you it could just be a B wave. I think it was just a B wave, even though I cannot rule out we're already breaking out from here, but it currently doesn't look like it. Just to show you what it would look like if we were to break out, then obviously the orange count would work out. Yeah, and we would say we're now in a third wave rally, but it's only the alternative count. Yeah, it's not my primary, the orange one. Let me just move everything across a little bit because things moved on. To explain the orange wave count, maybe first, even though it's only the alternative, but please note that. And I don't have very convincing price action for the orange direct breakout count. It would indicate that off the 27th of March, we rallied here to the high around 39 cents. We then came down to the low just a day later to 37 cents. And then we rallied again. Well, with those first two moves, we completed a 1-2 setup. We then rallied again here to Friday, 31st of March, 41 cents. That would be the first wave of the larger third wave, which I don't know, would lead to, well, certainly 44 cents plus, yeah. Wave 1 of the third, then here a wave 2 of the third, and we would now rally in a third wave of the third. That should be a very explosive move. Now, yes, this was good, this first move here that occurred on Monday, but then it would need to be a wave 1 of 3 of 3, the wave 2 of 3 of 3, and we would now be in the third wave of a third wave of a third wave. Does it look like that? No. Not yet. At least it would need to break out and really escalate now. And also another thing where I don't think primarily that this here is a wave 1, you know, this move of the Thursday low to the Friday high, yeah, to 41 cents, is if I'm looking at now, okay, it could be. Now if I take the Fibonacci extensions, go to the wave 1, go to the low here. Okay, no, that's fine. That's actually fine. Just wanted to, maybe a bit of education. When you measure the length, the first wave of a third wave, compare that to the main first wave. And if you're below the 78.6 extension, it could be the first wave of a third. Yeah. Anything above that, it could still be a first wave of a third, but it then most likely is something different. Okay, no, that's actually fine. It just didn't look like it, but that's fine. But the problem I have here, this looks corrective, a lot of overlapping price action, doesn't look like a third of a third rally. So I'm primarily following the idea that we are in the white count still, that this here is just a B wave currently, and the B wave could, you know, it could have finished here, but it looks more a bit like a triangle, maybe a B wave triangle that would unfold as follows. Now this is only an idea at this stage: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, and E wave. Note that corrections and especially B waves are extremely hard to forecast, and we're on a low time frame, so that can easily morph into something else like a WXY. And if it breaks above 40.5 cents, we need to consider at least that we are in a third wave rally already. Yeah, but for now I don't see that. This move up doesn't really look great, and you have that overlapping price action really. I mean, the move down was in 3 waves, but the move up currently also looks corrective. Okay, so I'm looking at this as a possible triangle. We might be heading into the apex just now, but that triangle can always extend out further. Okay, but there will be some kind of decision point coming now. So it needs to, it's basically forcing it to make a decision, but it could come down in a D wave, move up in E, and then break down in C. Again, if it breaks out above the A wave high at 40.5 cents, the orange count gets more into focus, but I would still not be able to rule out that this is a B wave, because very simply what could happen in such a B wave is that this B wave consists of ABC. So this might have been the A wave, this the B wave, and the C wave rally. So as long as we are below 42.4 cents, which is sort of the top or the maximum an overshooting B wave should do, I cannot rule out that it's an overshooting B wave. Yeah? So even if we rally now, yes, the third wave rally gets into focus, but it could still be an overshooting B wave. Above 42.4 cents though, that's the point when I will probably just rule out that B wave, and the white count and the orange count would become primary. But either way, both counts are bullish, right? And against 35.2 cents, which is the critical support area here, the focus can be on higher. So that's sort of the assessment at the moment here. It looks quite good, yeah, but it just needs to keep going now. It's sort of moving up, but if it's really a third wave and the third wave is coming, then it needs to really, really move now. Break above the resistance. But then again, if it breaks back into or if it comes back into the yellow support area, which is how it certainly looks to me. I mean, I don't want to say it needs to do it, yeah, but it certainly is looking likely. Now, very important, likely isn't definite. As long as 35.2 cents is holding though, this white wave count is valid. Okay, so that's sort of where we are. Important to understand that if we go any deeper into the yellow support area, then the orange count will get invalid at some point. All right, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.